I get this question asked a lot, like, yo, do I gotta be in a company to trade? Yo, what's great, everybody? Welcome to Trading for Trappers. My name is Eddie One Take, and I made this channel basically to document my trading journey and also to inspire other people along the way who want to trade. In this first video, I'm just gonna tell y'all how I got into trading. I'm gonna continue dropping videos on this channel that show you things that I've learned along the way and things that I'm continuing to learn now. Long story short, coming from Trenton, New Jersey, man, you gonna trap. And trapping is really, you know, people look at trapping like a bad thing, but to me, trapping means take risks and prosper. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what trapping is. You're gonna take a risk and you're gonna prosper. You're gonna prosper in some type of way. You're gonna learn something, you're gonna earn something, whatever. Coming from Trenton, New Jersey, like, you gonna trap for real, you know what I'm saying? You gonna do some things you might not wanna do, you gonna do some things you wanna do, but coming from the hood, yo, like, if you watching this video, you come from the hood, you know you always looking for something more. Like, you always got some type of hustle, you always trying to make some money, you always trying to feed your family, you always trying to do something better, man. Like, I was the kid that was always selling candy at school and stuff like that, always had a hustle. And then I remember getting into network marketing. I did this company called Wake Up Now, right? It was super popular. Along that company, I met a dude named Terrell Black, my boy, man. Was my business partner at the time. He was basically telling me about investing. He was telling me about all these methods of investing, like Nadex, binary options, Forex. And at this time, I'm like, what is he talking about? But I know he's talking about some money. Terrell is a hustler. He gonna get to the money. So, and he was willing to teach me. So I'm like, all right, cool. Like, it was my own kind that told me about trading because he was a go-getter. When he told me about trading, he gave me like some videos to watch. And then that's when I started learning about the different methods of trading and stuff. He was telling me about Forex. He was telling me about binary options. And he gave me some videos to study the strategy. It was like the market maker method strategy. If you trade, then you know what that is. But he basically was telling me like, yo, look into this. I was watching the videos and stuff like that. Then he brought me another strategy, and this was for like pocket options. So those are like just different styles of trading. I was editing videos at the time. That's how I was like making money, and I had a little side job. But I was really trying to edit videos to get out of the hood, not get into any trouble, not have to sell no work, not have to like continue working a job and do something I ain't like. Before he gave me the strategy, he was calling me. He was like, yo, bro, I gave it to such and such. It was another one of our friends. He was like, I gave it to such and such, and he turned $40 into $23,000 in 3 days. I seen that count. I was like, oh my God, I'm up out of here. He gave me the strategy. Now I put $40 in my trading account and I turned it into $2,800 that same night off of the same strategy. And then I blew it. That's where it hit me like, oh shit, I could make this much this fast. It's legal. I did it from my crib. Damn. So that took me on a long journey of like trading. And this was around like 2000. It was like 2014 going into 15. I remember it was like February 14, 15, one of those years. It took me on a long journey of trading since then. I get this question asked a lot. And this is another reason why I made this channel too, because I get this question asked a lot like, yo, do I gotta be in a company to trade? The answer is no, you don't gotta be in a company to trade. You can do this right off of a smartphone. I consider myself right now a retail trader, and basically a retail trader is you don't trade for no company, you just trade for yourself. You know what I mean? You get your money and you go about your business. And there are a bunch of retail traders, but the banks run the market. It took me on the journey of I kept on getting into like network marketing companies and things like that. I did a bunch of network marketing companies because I love business. And then I got into this one network marketing company. And every time I get into network marketing companies, I always meet like great people. I always meet some shitty people, but I meet some really, really great people because we got a common goal to either grow our business, get better, whatever the case is. So I got into this network marketing company and it was just focused around trading. And that's where I met my homie Slice De Niro. Sheridan Vandercruz. A lot of y'all might know him definitely as Slice De Niro. I met Slice De Niro doing this company and he had the same ambition to like trade. Like, damn, I could make thousands off of my phone. For real? All right, cool. I'm definitely telling other people about this. I built a best friend, a brother through Slice because we share the same common goal. Like, yo, we got to get rich. You know what I'm saying? And then along the way, I had a homie named Gustavo, Wealthy Pips. This was one of the first people, young people that I seen that was making money from the markets, like real bread, like turn 100 into 1,000, turn 1,000 into 5,000. Like he knew what he was doing. He was locked into the markets. He had the same common goal, came from the same common place. You know what I'm saying? This is really for the trappers. Yo, if you're watching this video, make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe because you're going to be rich. Gustavo, he was the like second person to give me some info to really like get me understanding that this trading thing was real. Like he showed me mad things. Thing about network marketing and trading is like the company's gonna want you to focus on building the company and bringing more people in. And when you want to trade and learn how to trade, like you just want to focus on learning how to trade. So when I was doing the company, I'm super fired with the videos and stuff like that. I was building this company up and I couldn't really lock in on trading. So I'm at a point in my life right now where I'm going through mad experiences, and I've had the blessing and the opportunity to go through enough things to figure out like what really makes me happy. What do I love to do? Honestly, I love time freedom. I love to travel. I love to create content. I love meeting people. I love getting money, straight up. So what's gonna allow me to do that is trading, right? That's why I'm really locking in this time. I don't got nobody in my way. I'm in a space to know what I want to do, and I want to become a full-time trader. So that's why I'm documenting this journey for you. And also, again, to educate anybody that's watching and let you know, like, yo, you could come from the worst place in the world, but if you got an internet connection and a smartphone, you could get some money. Shout out to Terrell Black for putting me on Trading for Real. Shout out to Slice Dinero, man, for locking in on the journey to like study with me and be an accountability partner and get rich off this trading shit. And shout out to Gus for actually giving game. And Gus is still trading. I'm not a part of a company or anything right now, but I am getting mentorship because my goal is to become a full-time trader. You feel me? Like live off of trading. Like, yo, what do you do for a living? I trade. I make money off my phone, off my computer. That's my goal with making this channel and helping you do the same thing if that's your ambition. I just had to drop this video, kind of tell you a little bit about my story. As I continue to drop videos, you're gonna learn more and more about my story. I'm gonna show you more and more things. I'm being fully transparent, vulnerable on this trading journey. It's a lot of frauds out here. It's a lot of people that act like they make money off their phone or make money through trading and they don't. They be scamming other people. I got mad fake Instagrams that be trying to scam people off of trading and shit. So I just want y'all to know that this is the real. You feel me? Shout out to Terrell Black. Shout out to Slice Dinero. Shout out to Gustavo, aka Wealthy Pips. Shout out to my nephew Corn, aka Born Different. He really inspired me to make this video because he pulled up on me. You know, a lot of people know that I trade and they like ask me like, yo, bro, do you still trade? I'm trying to learn. And I usually like would have referred them to like the company I was building, but I'm not building a company right now in that way. So they come to learn from me, and I'm not a full-time, full profitable trader yet. So I can teach you what I know as far as like the basics, and that's what I'm gonna do on this channel. And everything that I'm learning, whoever I'm learning from, that's who I'm gonna refer you to. But he pulled up on me. He was like, bro, I'm really trying to learn this trading shit. He works at Chick-fil-A. I know he not trying to work at Chick-fil-A. I know he ain't trying to sell no weed no more. Let's get to the bag. You know what I'm saying? And then also, last but not least, shout out to my sis, Double R, Roddy, you know what I'm saying? Like the Spectra. She hit me the other day like, yo, bro, you still investing? You still trading? Fire stylist, fire fashionista. She got ambitions and goals too. So she like, yo, bro, I'm trying to trade. Because everybody who really understands trading, like understands that, yo, you don't need nobody. You don't need to talk to nobody, say nothing to nobody. You don't want to deal with nobody. You can make it back quiet, not say nothing, or be as loud as you want, do what you want. But trading is something that I wanted to gift to the trap, to anybody who really like is looking for another way to get bread or make money or really elevate their life. This is a passion of mine. I love trading. That shit used to look like Chinese to me. Trust me. It's a long-term game. So shout out to all those people I mentioned. Shout out my life partner, Bree. Other than that, man, stay tuned. Got more coming. This is Trading for the Trappers. It's your boy Eddie One Take. I'm out. I hope my phone ain't die. Yeah.